Welcome, everybody, to a rainy day in Michigan. I thought I would take this opportunity to do a no-tune challenge in the rain. Today, we're going to be using a Citron. I'm so unfamiliar with them, I don't really even know which one it is. But I do know we are in Finland, and we're going to launch it off of some hills. Let's get to it. Let's have some fun. It's blue, and it's nighttime. Let's see how this goes.
Five, four, three, two, one, go. Keep middle of a jump, 100, flat right of a crest and dip, 6 left of a crest long, opens of a crest, 100, flat right of a crest, opens of a crest, to keep middle of a jump, to keep middle of a crest and flat left, 50, keep middle of a jump, 120, flat right, to keep middle of a jump, to keep middle of a big jump, and 6 left long, past house, 50, keep middle of a jump, to keep middle of a big jump, 150,
Big jump. Oh, this is the big jump.
5 left of a crest, tightens 4 long, 50,
More brakes, more brakes, more brakes, more brakes. Oh,
very
dang
long,
it.
opens of a crest, and 4 right of a crest, opens 6, extra long, narrow, and 6 left long, opens of a jump, 150, slow, keep middle of a jump into 3 right long, opens 40, 4 left, open 6, extra long, 40. Keep right of a jump, and 3 right of a crest. Opens, and crest, and 6 left of a crest, jump, into 6 right long of a crest,
That was safe.
30.
I figured it was going to go off the
6
side,
left
but I
long
didn't
of a
think it was
crest,
going to go off that.
opens of a crest,
Immediately.
50, flat right of a dip, to flat left of a crest, jump, 80, keep middle of a jump, into 6 right long, opens, keep middle of a crest and care, 5 left, to keep right of a crest into sudden, 3 left, opens 6, extra long of a crest, 50, 5 right long, into 6 left of a crest, 50, 6 right of a crest long, 6 left of a crest, keep right of a 60 of a crest
6
and
left,
6
sir, not
left,
6 left.
into 6
Oh,
right, into 6 left of a crest, 50, keep middle of a
Oh,
jump,
no. Oh, shoot.
into 6 right,
Oh, that was
extra
bad.
long of a bumps,
That was
tightens 3,
greasy.
into 6 left of a crest, extra long, 50, keep middle of a jump, and 6 right, 60, 6 left of a crest, jump, 50, 3 left of a crest, opens, keep right of a 80, 4 left of a crest long, 80,
Not being as smooth as I could be, I'm kind of rushing.
flat right of a crest, 80,
And that's a pull. Hard between rocks because, you know, they're all
left long, opens of a crest, 30, sudden, 4 right, tightens 3, opens 40, 4 right, 80, flat left of a crest, 50, 4 right, tightens of a dip, 150, of a finish,
Ha! Ha!
6
I
left
crashed
of a
right
crest
before the end.
to stop. Well done.
Oh, thanks, bud. I think you're being alive. But you know, you're a cheeky little shit. That was not good. Not good at all. What's the next place that's going to kick my butt? Do some Scotland. In Scotland, I know it never rains there, ever.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1,
Go.
6 left, opens extra long, caution, slow in turn, 1 right, uphill. Opens, 4 right, very long, tightens 3, extra long, keep in, tightens of a small crest, into 3 left, tightens, and keep right, into 3 left, very long, tightens, and 4 right, very long, tightens, ditch outside, into 4 left, 40, slowing 3 right, then turn square right, don't cut. Into 6 left long, 130.
Don't mind that gap.
5 left over bumps, 70. 4 right long, opens of a crest past junction, and tightens keep in, 50. Short 5 left, opens 60, over double crest, and 6 left long of a dip, slow at 40, 5 left, tightens 3, 100, deceptive, 4 left long of a crest, tightens, 50, 5 right, tightens, into 5 left, caution, tightens, narrow short 3 right, and 6 left, very long, tightens 3 long, 40, 1 right long, don't cut, rocks inside, 30, 4 left of a crest, 50, short 2 right of a crest, rock outside, 60, keep left of a small crest, into 3 left of a dip, 90,
rock outside,
3 left long, don't cut, rocks inside, 80, over bumpy crests, short 6 left, into 6 right, tightens 4 of a crest, very long, 50, short 4 left past junction, keep right of a jump, into 6 right, into late 5 left of a crest, don't cut, then keep right of a jump, 70, slow in 4 right of a crest, tightens sudden 3 left, don't cut, very long, rocks inside, 40, deceptive, 3 right, tightens of a small crest, 3 left,
very close to that rock.
right,
I knew it was there.
4 left past junction, into slow 3 right, very long, ditch outside, then slow in 4 right, into turn sudden square left, 50, open hairpin right, don't cut, rocks inside, into 4 left, tightens, and 6 right, into 5 left of a crest, very long, into caution 2 right, and 3 left, tightens 2, 2 right, very long, don't cut, rocks inside, and 3 left of a crest, 60 downhill, 3 left long, into 6 right, extra long, caution, tightens 3,
narrowness.
and 4 left long, opens and tightens, into 4 right, to keep right of a junction, into 3 left, into slowing, caution, 5 right long, tightens turn 1, extra long, and 3 left long, tightens, opens, of a small crest,
Yeah, I thought I made the wrong turn.
60, 2
Definitely
right,
lost
opens
time
long,
there, so I was thinking about what to say. Been listening to
and 2 left long, opens,
again,
6
that's why I still on
left,
the road.
and long crest and sudden 4 left and 3 right, slow in 80, 4 left long,
One day I'll figure this out.
40, turn early 1 left, tightens, 90, middle of a crest, finish 60 to stop.
Yeah, I went into that turn way very tough. Very, very tough. But I completed it and I didn't crash off the stage. So that's pretty darn good. And a personal best because I've never done this. It was alright, Ryan. Hey? I really enjoyed that one. It was really tight and technical. The Finland one was good. I don't know this stage at all. So we'll do this. I just gave myself a Charlie horse in the right
5,
place.
4,
I'm sure that won't
3,
cause any problem.
2, 1,
Nope.
go. 30, 1 left long, tightens. into 1 right, into 2 left, into 3 right, keep left over 50, 2 right long, tightens 1, tightens, into 4 left long, opens, 30, 2 left, into 2 right, into 2 left long, opens, 50, 5 right long, into 4 left long, into 3 right tightens, into slow, 5 left, into 1 right long, tightens, opens, into 6 left, extra long, tightens 1, and 2 left tightens, 2 right, into 3 left, into 4 right, keep left over 50, 2 right long, into 5 left, into 3 left tightens, 30, 5 right long, 30, 4 left long, opens over crest, 30, 6 left long, 30, 3 right long tightens, into caution, 6 left over crest, 3 right tightens, into 6 left, into 4 right tightens, into 3 left tightens, 30, 5 left into turn, 2 left, into 5 right long, over crest, into 4 left long, into 4 right long over crest, 30, 6 right, keep right over 80, 6 left cut, 150, 4 right, opens over crest, into 4 left, extra long, opens,
I'll leave that in.
6 right long, 100, 6 right long, opens, into flat crest, into 6 right, 100, 6 left over crest long, into 5 left over crest, 50, 4 right long, into 5 left, keep left over 50, 4 right, opens, into 4 left long,
I went in way too
opens over
fast.
crest,
I was seeing if I could do it.
5 right long, opens 30, 4 right long, opens over crest, 80, slow, 3 left, opens 5 long, 50, 6 right over crest, 100,
Man,
6 left, opens 100,
it's tricky.
flat long crest, 80,
You know, I find myself in the middle of these sometimes. Going, why is this so freaking hard? And then I remember, oh yeah, I didn't set the car up at all. I also don't do this too much anymore.
6 left long, 100.
Most of my practice time is spent trying to do the rally conquest.
Stop.
So I'm going to do a whole bunch of other different things. I kind of like focus heavily on one vehicle and one track at a time. Where should we go next? Well, raining here in Michigan. Might as well have it rain in the United States. This is the 4th race I'm doing.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go. I jumped it!
Extra long.
I jumped it!
Keep in a...
Let's just overlook that complete brain fart.
5,
4,
4,
3, 2, 1, go.
6 left, extra long. Keep in of a crest, into 6 right of a crest, jump, 100, over crest, turn unseen, 2 left, opens, 100, 6 left, 160, 4 right, extra long of a crest, 50, keep middle of a crest, into 6 left long, keep in of a crest, into 6 right, slow 70, turn unseen, hairpin right, don't cut, opens of a crest, 50, 4 left long, 30,
Hey, that one felt pretty sexy.
Keep right of a big jump, 80. Keep middle of a jumps into 6 right. Into slow, 5 left long of a crest, tightens 3 over very narrow bridge. Into 4 left long. Opens
Bridge,
30.
go! Oh! Wow! That totaled that one. I mean, the game didn't total it out, but in reality, yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 6 left, extra long. Keep in of a crest. Into 6 right of a crest, jump. 100 over crest. Turn unseen, 2 left. Opens 100. 6 left.
Why did it crunch gears? They put it in neutral.
4 right, extra long of a crest. 50. Keep middle of a crest. Into 6 left long. Keep in of a crest. Into 6 right.
Oh!
Slow 70, turn unseen, heavy
That's cool.
right, don't cut. Opens of a crest, 50. 4 left long, 30.
Okay, vaguely drove
Keep
up.
right of a big jump, 80. Keep middle of a jumps into 6 right. Into slow, 5 left long of a crest, tightens 3 over very narrow
Hopping
bridge.
on in. Brakes, brakes,
Into
brakes.
4 left long.
Brakes, brakes, back.
Opens 30.
Come on, you
4 right long.
French little.
Opens of a crest, 100, of a crest, sudden, 4 left, 50, keep left of a jump, 50, 6 left, opens of a crest, into 4 right tightens, into 5 left long, opens 50, caution crest and 3 right tightens. Into don't cut, 3 left long, into 6 right, and 6 left,
Sometimes it's flush kicking like that.
cut, 5 right, into 6 left long, over crest tightens, 30, middle of a jump, into 5 right long, tightens 4 long, opens 50, 4 right of a crest, opens, keep middle of a crest, into 5 left, opens of a crest, into 4 left of a crest, 150, 4 left, 50, 4 left, into 3 right, caution, tightens turn 2, into 3 left, opens long, stay middle over 200. 6
Yeah, that's all right there.
Opens of a big jump, 80. Middle of a jump, 50. 5 left of a crest long. 120.
Get everything sorted
Slow
out.
turn, tight hairpin right, don't cut, 80.
Ha!
Turn unseen, tight hairpin left, 80.
Dang it.
6 left, 50. 6 right of a crest jump, 50. 4 right long of a finish, into 6 left long to stop.
Man, that got me at the end there. Got me really bad. This is a big bummer for me today. I'm usually extremely good on the wet courses. Didn't do too well today. Maybe I'm nervous. I know I'm not focused as much as I normally am. It's all me, man. It's all me. No excuses with me. I need to do better, and I will do better in the next video. So thank you for coming along for this ride, this little rainy adventure on this gloomy day here in Michigan. Hopefully I brought a little bit of brightness to your day. Let me know. Y'all take care. I've been Matthew Mudge. You have been a fantastic audience. Keep some dirt under your tires, and y'all take care. I'll see you in the next video. I don't even remember. Tote Valley Sprint Reverse. New England, United States of America. That's Canada.